Hi everyone. Well, this is my naked morning face. I didn't do anything yet, and I want to show you today lifting intense. I want to show you how the treatment is be done. It's very easy, very simple. It comes in a box with 8 treatments, and you can do it 2 times a week. So it's actually a cure for 1 month. It is very easy to use. The products come in little sachets, little bags, and it says 1, 2, 3. So if you can count to 3, you can do the treatment easy. First of all, the first little sachet is the cleansing, and that one you do on a skin that is a little bit wet already. So I'm just gonna make my face a little bit wet. Always do your neck as well. Then I'm gonna take number 1, and it's a, I will show you, it's a gel. You see? So I'm gonna make like a little foam in my hands, and I will put it on my face. Now that treatment you can do with or without the device. And you have to use that cleansing gel and not another one, because that one is really gonna prepare your skin for the mask. What is the next step? I'm going to use a device now. I'm going to use a groomster. And you do it with a clean program. Okay, there we go. This is only 1 minute. But as I said, if you do not have the devices, you can use it with your hands only as well. But of course, with a device, it is better because you've got a deeper penetration and a better cleansing. Oh, this feels so good. Now what that cleansing is doing, it is actually, as I said already, preparing your skin for the active ingredients of the mask. There we go, finished. Always take off with some hot water, not too hot, but there we go. And I just dry it a little bit with a little tissue. Make sure there's still some moisture on the skin. Next step is number 2. That is the mask. That is where the magic is going to happen. So I'm going to put it all in my hand. And it's quite something. There's quite a lot of mask in there, but this is good, and you can put it on your neck as well. Look, this is like a honey. It's like a thick gel, and now we're going to apply that in a very thin layer all over our skin. Make sure it's almost equal everywhere. It's like a thick, sticky gel. And this is gonna dry. And as it dries, you will feel your skin is lifting. Okay, I'm gonna take some more for my neck. And there we go. I think this is, the bag is empty. There we go. As you can see, there's a lot of product. I mean, there's enough product to put on your neck and all over your face, and it's like a thin layer all over. I'm just gonna check in the mirror. There we go. And then we leave it on for like 15-20 minutes. Relax. Or you can also do some ironing or some reading, or women can multitask. Okay. So I'm going to take a little break now, and I will come back to you then after the 20 minutes. Okay, I'm back. The mask is dry and I can hardly speak. And it gives a real tension and a real lift. See, this is my problem zone, and it really lifts. Now it's dry, it's really like an occlusive layer. It's really tight to the skin, and it's occlusive means that all the active ingredients, because it's that dry and that close to the skin, all active ingredients can no other way than go inside your skin. So as you can see now, it's really dry. Do not try to peel it off. If you take it off, you have to do it with water. And never ever ever, oh, this feels so funny, never ever ever use a device on this mask. So only with the hands, put it on and then leave it on for 20, you can even leave it on for 30 minutes. So I will take it off now. So you take like a cloth with water and just make it wet. And then I'm gonna do it with my hands a little bit to loosen everything. And you can do this as a cure, or when you have to go to a party. You can do it, sorry, I'm out of the screen from time to time. So never ever use a device, never ever try to pull off this mask, because you're going to damage your skin. It's really stick to the skin. Make it loose. This feels really nice. Make sure everything is gone. Make sure everything is out of your eyebrows as well. Okay, and then I take a tissue again and dry the skin off. And then we're gonna apply sachet number 3, which is the serum. There we go. You put it on your face, and that one you can use with or without the device. So it's a gel like this. Just gonna put it on nicely. There we go. And then of course I'm gonna use the face lifter. I'm gonna put always rests of serum of creams I always put on my hands. So now we're gonna use the face lifter on Nutri Program. There we go. And I'm gonna do first my problem zones. With this serum you can put it all over your face from the beginning, because it's a serum that's like, it stays a little bit longer on the skin than like the Serum Regenescence. That one really disappears quickly in your skin. Never forget your neck. Always be careful for the thyroid here. Oh, my skin feels so good. There's still a little mask up here. And after this you can apply a day cream if you want, or it's not really necessary. A sunscreen, like for now I will use after this our BB cream, because it's like a sunny day in Belgium, and you know UV protection is really important. UV does a lot of damage to the skin, and in our BB cream there is like a UV protection 30, so it gives a really nice glow to your skin. But I will show you just in 1 minute. Okay, so you go on till this is really absorbed through the skin, and it's nearly in there. You can see it already. It's a little bit harder to go over it. Then and my skin really feels good and soft, and there's a lot of difference here. I'm really happy. I'm gonna do this now in a cure of 8 treatments, so let's see what's gonna happen here. Yeah, I'm gonna put the BB cream on top. I don't know if you can see this, and I always apply this with a brush. You don't need a lot, just like this. And I'm gonna put up, and I always like to do it with a brush, not with my hands. Because with a brush your layer is much thinner, looks much more natural. And it gives me UV protection 30, so I like that very much. Now, there we go. Now some more makeup, a little bit mascara and some blush and a little bit of lipstick, and I'm done. Ta-da! No morning face anymore. Bye bye.